Good morning, everyone. I am Anne Margaret of Grade 9B. Today's prayer. Oh Lord, thank you for the unique gift of every child as they transition into a new school year. Fill each student with fresh enthusiasm and a heart that is excited to learn and grow. Cover them with your enduring love. Give them confidence and grace. Bless our teachers with wisdom, understanding, and a heart to serve as they embark on the journey together. Amen.
Good morning to all. Today's thought: success is the result of hard work. I repeat, success is the result of hard work. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Christopher Anthony Jones from Grade 10A. Today's news, the headlines. International news. Trump targets ICC with sanction over Afghanistan war crime case. He authorizes economic sanctions and travel caps against court employees. National news. Slum population most at risk, says ICMR. India overtakes UK with fourth highest COVID-19 tally in world. State records 1 death, 83 new cases. 5 healthcare workers among 19 local transmission cases. And in sports, Chetri goes down memory lane. Picks Krishna Uday and Vijayan as his childhood heroes. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. My name is Adra. I'm studying in class 9A. I'm going to say a speech on the topic cleanliness. We have all heard the proverb, cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is an important factor of life. It is very important for a clean and healthy environment. It may be related to public or personal hygiene. The term cleanliness implies the absence of dust, dirt, smoke, stain, etc. It is essential for everyone to learn about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, and the various diseases caused due to poor maintenance of hygiene. It must be followed by everyone since it is essential for all. It is not a thing that should be considered only by the government. It is a thing that should be considered by every individual. A healthy environment leads to a healthy and happy life. An environment which is dirty can cause many diseases who live around the area. Thus, it is essential for a good life. Cleanliness leads to a healthy and happy life. Cleanliness is half our health. It can prevent harmful diseases such as jaundice, typhoid, diarrhea, etc. Thus, everyone must develop a habit of cleanliness and help our nation to overcome diseases and become healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.